What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to buy XRP on eToro from your PC. So the first thing that you need to do is to be logged in on your eToro account like I am right now. Then what you want to do is to go to the search bar, and here you're going to search for XRP. As you can see, it's right here, so let's click on it. Now you can see the graph of XRP. Let's put it on 1 day. Take account. This is not a financial advice, this is only a tutorial. If you decide to buy, all you have to do is to click on trade, and as you can see right here, you can buy it by dollar amount or by units. I'm going to buy $10 of it, like so. Also, you can buy it with short. After you decide how much you want to buy, all you have to do is to click on buy. As you can see, the order has been filled, and you can see your XRP on your portfolio tab. As you can see, it's right here. If you want to close the trade, all you have to do is to click on trade, or if you want to buy more, all you have to do is to click on trade and repeat the steps that I showed to you earlier. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.